Hey guys, so I have some questions for you. Number one, are you interested in building a business online using affiliate marketing? Number two, are you trying to figure out how to get free traffic over to your products and services? If the answer is yes to either of them, what I want to show you today is an amazing product called the RHIMS Bundle by JayKay Dowdall that's going to teach you exactly how to do that. Now, the reason I want to make sure that you don't miss out on this opportunity is that this is the exact strategy that I've used to build my own business online. Anytime during this video, guys, if you want to go ahead and check out my full review of RHIMS 5.0, go ahead and check that out. You'll see the link in the description below. But in this video, I really want to show you behind the hood of my business so that you can really see that these types of methods work. Now, if you have no idea what Launchjacking actually is, Launchjacking is the method that you can take advantage of the excitement when a new product or service actually gets released onto the internet or into the market. Now, you can actually use Launchjacking for digital products or physical products. It doesn't really matter. Now, within the actual course that I'm recommending to you, he does kind of concentrate on the make money online niche because there's a lot of products that get released in that particular niche every single day. So it's an easy one to get started with as an affiliate to start making money. But you can use this in absolutely any niche and for physical and for digital products because the method is the same. What you're basically doing is you're showing people and you're giving reviews on those products. And if you give reviews and you're an honest person and people trust you, they will go through your own affiliate links and you'll be paid a commission when they go ahead and buy those particular types of products. So what I do is I'm in the make money online niche, but I'm really stressing that you don't have to be in that niche to make Launchjacking work. So basically, if you look at my channel here, I've got lots of different videos here doing lots of different types of reviews on different products and services. Some good, some bad, and I review everything honestly. For me, to be honest, it's no different from watching a film and telling you what I think of that film. I just come along to these products and tell you what I think of these products. Now, I built up a reputation of being able to do this honestly, so that when I recommend things, you can trust me, and I know that it's going to be quality for you guys, because I've reviewed hundreds of products, so I understand what types of products are good. But let me show you the impact of Launchjacking. This is my channel. Now, if I just go ahead and show you the lifetime of this channel, this channel's had over 405,000 views. That is the AdSense revenue I make just off the channel. And once you get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can actually advertise on YouTube. That takes time, but you can end up doing that if you're consistent and you use this method. And you can see I've had nearly 6,500 subscribers. I'm about 2 subscribers off from getting that. So the impact of this is when I first started online, I was kind of struggling, wasn't really sure. And the biggest thing that I was really missing out on was traffic. Where do I get traffic from? How am I going to get people to actually view the products and services that I want to go ahead and promote? And I kind of latched onto the Launchjacking methodology and learned that, and that has completely changed the way I do everything online. It is the best way, the single best way to get free traffic over to your own reviews and then the products and services that you want to promote, because people are looking for those types of reviews online. They go online, they find that there's some email being sent to them about some new product or service, and they'll go ahead and they'll put whatever the product is, reviews, and they'll come along to your if it's a YouTube video or whether it's a blog post, it doesn't really matter. They'll see that as it ranks, and it's a brilliant way to get free traffic. And as I'm kind of describing this on YouTube, you can do exactly the same thing by writing blog posts or even having a social media account where you post regularly and you gain followers on social media. The methodology is exactly the same. I love YouTube because it's fast, it's quick, and it's easy to get videos up there. And by the way, guys, if you want to go down and do this, you don't have to ever show your face either. So these are the kind of results I've had from this channel. Now, if I go over to my Warrior Plus account, I barely promote anything on Warrior Plus, but you can see that over the last few months, I've made about $1,000, and I've only promoted 3 things. So I barely promote anything. And I have another account here, my paid Kickstart account. Again, I made about $1,300 to $1,500 just this month on some promotions that I do on that. Plus I'm on ClickBank, plus I do JVZoo. So you can see that this methodology really, really works. So what I want you to do really is go ahead and check out the link in the description below. Look at my full review and really understand the opportunity you have by going ahead and taking and and buying this course. This course is so detailed, guys, and you're going to learn how to actually be a real affiliate marketer online. It's more than just Launchjacking. It teaches you how to do your email sequences, how to do your pages, and it has some brilliant training in here about traffic with YouTube, with blogging, with social media, explaining exactly how you can go ahead and get that traffic as well. So I would definitely go ahead and take opportunity here, guys. This is $27 for the next couple of days, and you want to go ahead and grab this, and there's some amazing bonuses here. Now let me just very quickly show you the best bonus I've seen in a long time. Now, just jump down to the 5 bonuses. There is some brilliant bonuses here. There's a case study here, a step-by-step Launchjacking walkthrough there with some templates that you can use. There's a 59 swipe ready headline template. And again, it doesn't really matter what niche you're in. You can use these types of headlines in your emails, in your pages that you're promoting things in. And these headlines are great to go and reference so you can see what kind of thing works. And then you have this no-fail indoctrination sequence, again, teaching you about email marketing, which is so important. And then this strategy session. This strategy session is worth hundreds of dollars. You are literally going to sit on a call with JayKay Dowdall, one of the top affiliate marketers that there is online, and you're going to have a consultation with him about your own business. That is worth hundreds of dollars, guys. If you just pay $27 just for that call, it's going to be worth every penny to you if you want to learn how to build a business with affiliate marketing. So guys, go ahead and check out the link in the description below. I really want you to jump on board this. You can trust me, guys. I very rarely recommend things because I know there's a lot of rubbish out there, but it doesn't matter what niche you're in. It doesn't matter what kind of product or service that you want to promote. This is a brilliant methodology to start learning and have as one of the kind of tools in your toolkit that you can use to drive traffic to your own offers and services and other people's offers and services. So guys, jump on board. I'll speak to you soon.